I'm going to show you how to customize a Canva template from scratch. Whether you're working on a social media post, presentation, or flyer, Canva makes it super easy to put your own unique spin on any design. Let's dive right into it. First, start by browsing Canva's massive template library. You'll find tons of ready-made designs for all kinds of projects. Once you find a template that fits your needs, simply click on it and hit Use this template. That adds a copy of the design to your Canva workspace so you can begin customizing. Now let's talk colors. Click on any colored part of the design, whether it's the background, a shape, or text, to open up the color picker. From there, choose your brand colors or any shade that fits your style. For a quicker workflow, you can use the Change All option to apply that color across all similar elements in your design. Next up is editing the text. Click into any text box to change the wording. You can adjust the font, size, alignment, and color using the toolbar at the top. Replace the placeholder content with your own details to make the design relevant to your message. Changing fonts is just as easy. Select a text element, open the font drop-down menu, and pick a style that suits your brand. If you want to keep your design consistent, apply the new font across all headings or body text using the Change All option. Replacing images is another key part of customization. Click on any image and choose Replace, or drag a new one from the Uploads panel. You can upload your own photos or browse Canva's library of free images to find the perfect fit. Feel free to move things around too. Click and drag to reposition elements, resize them, or delete anything you don't need. You can even add new shapes, lines, or icons from the Elements tab to enhance your design. If you're a Canva Pro user, you'll want to take advantage of the Brand Kit feature. It allows you to store your brand colors, fonts, and logos in one place. Once your brand kit is set up, you can apply it to any template for instant, consistent branding throughout all your content. And finally, once you're happy with your design, go ahead and save it. Click Share or Download and choose your preferred format, whether it's a PNG, JPG, PDF, or even an MP4 if it's an animated graphic. That's it. You've just customized a Canva template from scratch. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or tips of your own. Thanks for watching.